Hello everyone, I'm Charles from SpiritRadar. In this video, I will show you how to use a popular section of the app called Shopping Tips, where you can find the best deals and rarest bottles available. Once you log into your SpiritRadar account, navigate to the Shopping Tips section. It's your go-to spot for finding exceptional offers on spirits. Simply click here to open the Shopping Tips. This section is updated daily with bottles priced below market value and hard-to-find spirits that collectors have been seeking for a long time. Each listing is carefully verified by our team, ensuring that you get not only the best price, but also real availability. You can sort these listings by date or use filters to narrow your search based on category, brand, bottle size, or even seller country. Helpful for avoiding those high shipping costs. That was a quick tour of our shopping tips. Make sure to visit this section regularly to discover your next prized bottle. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.